If your sprinkler head in the middle of the yard is leaning or sitting crooked, there's a good chance it's connected underneath with a flexible swing joint instead of a rigid pipe. These are designed to give the sprinkler some movement over time. That flexibility helps absorb pressure from foot traffic, lawn equipment, and normal soil shifting. To straighten it out, start by digging around the sprinkler head until you expose the body and the flexible connector underneath. I use a spade shovel to cut through the St. Augustine, then hand dig the sprinkler up. Unless you're certain of the direction your irrigation pipes run or what underground utilities you have nearby, such as cable or internet lines, I'd be cautious digging this out with a shovel. But once you can see everything clearly, gently move the sprinkler back into an upright position. You can use a level if you're really particular, but for me, I just wanted it better than the 45-degree angle it was at. Ideally, the top of the sprinkler head should be level with the surrounding grass. Too high and it can get bumped by mowing. Too low and the spray pattern can be affected or grass can grow over it. After repositioning it where you want, hold the sprinkler steady and pack the soil firmly underneath and around the base to give it support. I also recommend adding a couple layers of rock to make sure that it's really solid. Pack everything down well and put the St. Augustine back in place. Run the sprinkler zone to make sure that the head pops up straight and sprays evenly. In a lot of cases, correcting a crooked sprinkler is simply a matter of repositioning it and giving it better support in the soil. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.